आप में से काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने मुझे बोला है कि बियर्डो के प्रोडक्ट्स रिव्यू करो, और मैं अभी तक सिर्फ उस्तरा और द मैन कंपनी की कर रहा था। आज मैं बियर्डो के प्रोडक्ट्स लाया हूँ। चलिए देखते हैं उसमें क्या खास है। Hey guys, welcome to the Bearded Chokra. If this is your first time here, I do a lot of hair, skin, beard related videos and a lot of product reviews as well, just like this one. So if you like such content, make sure you hit that like button down below and also subscribe to this channel for more such amazing videos. So the product that I have today with me is a beard oil and a beard wax by a company called Beardo, and this is the black box that I've got from them. Not because I've asked them to send it to me, but I have won a competition which they recently held on Roposo. Opening the box, what you guys can see over here is a beard oil, a beard wax and a beard wash. The beard wash will be covered in a separate video. Today I'll be covering the beard oil and the beard wax. Okay, so let's get done with the pricing of the two first. This is the beard oil by Beardo. I've got the classic variant over here. This is a 30 ml bottle and it costs 380 rupees. Now if I look at it in terms of the packaging, the plastic quality is really cheap. Talking about the beard wax, this is what you get. It's like a small lip balm size thing. It's 4 grams of wax that you get for 250 rupees. Just alone looking at the packaging and the quantity of the product that you're getting, I don't think it's worth it. But still, watch the review till the end and you'll come to know whether this product is actually worth buying or not. Now before I go on with the ingredients list and the ratings that I usually give for all these products, one message to the company. When a consumer goes to the Beardo website and searches for a beard oil in particular, and in the ingredients section all you've written are like 2 or 3 ingredients which are only the essential oils that you've put inside, I think that is a way to mislead the consumer. A consumer should know what all is there inside the beard oil. So now let's get on with the ingredients of this product. I'll be flashing the picture of the ingredients list on the screen right now so you can pause it and look at it for yourself. The first ingredient is sunflower oil. Now the sunflower oil makes your hair look very silky and smooth and shiny, and that is because of its thick film forming properties. Also it contains a lot of vitamin E. Now the problem with an ingredient like sunflower oil is its thick film forming properties. It actually forms a very thick layer on top of the hair. So if you've applied this beard oil or sunflower oil in general on a dry beard, it will not only keep the beard dry but also prevent the moisture which is there in the atmosphere to actually get inside your hair. So if it's on a moisturized beard, then there's not a big issue. The next ingredient is olive oil. Great ingredient for your skin and for your hair as well, very nourishing. The next one is almond oil, and if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know its properties and you know how good it is for your skin and for your hair. The next one is C14 to 22 alkane. Now this is used for its emollient properties or the conditioning properties it provides to the skin and the hair, and it is used as a replacement for the silicones like dimethicones, etc. How good is it? How bad is it as an ingredient to put in a beard oil? Not a lot of research is actually done about it. The next one is isopropyl myristate. Now this is again used for its conditioning properties, but the main issue over here is that it increases the absorption of the other ingredients that are put into the beard oil into your skin. This would have been a good property to have if the beard oil was completely natural, but this beard oil contains a preservative which I'll talk about in just a minute, which makes it not that great. The next ingredient is Olivem 300. Now this is a water soluble lipid. Again, it has a lot of nourishing and moisturizing properties for your hair and your skin. The other one is coco caprylate or coco caprate, and this one is again used for its conditioning properties. The next one is Borichi oil. Now this is a super high source of vitamin C, vitamin E and a lot of essential fatty acids which actually help in nourishing your hair and your skin. And to say the least, this is the only ingredient out of this ingredient list apart from olive oil that I actually like in this formulation. Now after that comes vanilla oil, lime oil and nutmeg oil. Now these are basically essential oils used for their fragrances, but they also have some distinct properties. You can read about those distinct properties of each of these ingredients using the links mentioned in the description down below. Now the last ingredient is BHT, and BHT is butylated hydroxytoluene. Now this is one of the most controversial preservatives that is used even in the food industry. It is linked to cancer, etc. But there are recent researches which suggest that BHT, although penetrates the skin but does not actually get mixed with your blood. And so by saying that, they mean that if it's used in a very less concentration, BHT shouldn't be harmful for a topical application. Now my problem with this beard oil is that it has isopropyl myristate. That ingredient increases the absorption of the other ingredients in the beard oil. One of those ingredients is BHT. Now if you have an ingredient which increases the absorption of already absorbable BHT, then it's actually bad. Now let's rate this product real quick. In terms of shine, I'm giving it a 4 out of 5. In terms of fragrance, I'm giving it a 3.5 out of 5. I really like the vanilla citrusy fragrance. Next comes hold. I'm giving it a 2.5 to 3 out of 5. The sunflower oil and the isopropyl myristate thicken the hair up, providing a bit of hold. So what's the truth about this product? Would I recommend it to you? Now looking at two factors, one is the price and the second is the formulation. Considering both of them, I wouldn't recommend this product to you guys. Now the second product I have for review up here is the Mustache and Beard Wax by Beardo. And if the price already didn't put you off and you want to know if it's actually good or bad for the beard, then continue watching this video. So the first ingredient which is used is shea butter. Now that is actually a good ingredient for nourishing your skin and your hair. But again, just like the sunflower oil, it has a very thick film forming property. So again, moisturized beard and skin, it's good, but if you're applying it on dry hair, it can actually be bad. The next one is jojoba oil. Again, you've seen my previous videos, it's a great ingredient to use. Very close to sebum, which is actually produced by your skin. The third ingredient is beeswax, found in almost all the mustache and beard waxes in the market right now. A good ingredient provides a decent hold. And the last ingredient is orange essential oil. Now this makes this beard wax actually smell like orange cream biscuits that you get in the market. I'm not complaining, it doesn't smell bad. Now in terms of hold, it actually lasts for about 4 to 5 hours unless and until you've actually spilled water on your beard or you've started sweating a lot. So again, what's the truth about this product? Would I recommend this to you? Now see, I don't have a problem with the formulation over here, but my problem is 4 grams of this product in a glue stick like packaging. Like this is how you're supposed to take it out and then scrape it with your nail and actually rub it in your hands and then use it on the beard. Just for 4 grams, I'm not going to be paying 250 rupees. तो दोस्तों ये मेरी रिव्यू थी Beardo Beard Oil The Classic और Beardo Mustache और Beard Wax के बारे में. मुझे नहीं लगता आपको दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स लेने चाहिए क्योंकि Beard Oil की फॉर्मुलेशन इतनी कुछ खास नहीं है और Beard Wax बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है. तो दोस्तों आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया और आपको मेरे दूसरे सारे वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ वो लाइक बटन को दबाइए और अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये वीडियो किसी और के काम आ सकता है तो प्लीज़ इसे शेयर भी करिए. बियर्डेड छोकरा को सब्सक्राइब भी करिए और वो बेल आइकन को भी दबाइए ताकि आप मेरा कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना करें. सो गाइज अंटिल वी मीट नेक्स्ट टाइम next Sunday with another episode. Be awesome, keep your beard awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.